Welcome to a world of unrivaled luxury and exquisite design, crafted by renowned chef Shannon Bennett. This stunning sandstone residence in Melbourne stands as a testament to unparalleled excellence and attention to detail. Step into the dramatic reception hall, where soaring ceilings and evocative curved walls set a tone of sophistication. Oak floors lead the way through this architectural masterpiece, inviting you to explore further. Entertain guests in style with the elegant formal sitting and dining rooms. Complete with a bar and temperature-controlled wine room, every detail has been meticulously curated for the ultimate dining experience. Prepare culinary delights in the ultimate chef's kitchen, where bespoke joinery and marble benches meet top-of-the-line Millet appliances. A fully appointed butler's pantry and a built-in bar ensure effortless entertaining. Step outside to the deep private garden, where lush greenery surrounds a heated pool and limestone terraces. It's a serene oasis perfect for both relaxation and outdoor entertaining. Upstairs, discover the lavish accommodation zone. The opulent main bedroom suite boasts dual dressing rooms and a sublime designer ensuite, offering a haven of tranquility and luxury. Ascend to the sensational rooftop terrace, where a timber onsen and full Millet kitchen await. With bifold doors opening to city views, it's the perfect setting for alfresco dining and relaxation. Descend to the basement level, where entertainment reaches new heights. A home theatre room, gym, sauna, steam room, and a 6-car garage provides endless possibilities for recreation and relaxation. This extraordinary residence, nestled on 1,590 square metres of land, offers a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and sophistication. Welcome to a world where every detail exceeds expectation, where elegance meets functionality in perfect harmony.